Hi there, I'm just going to show you one more kind of incredible use of the Scruzol. To do all kinds of cool things, and one of them we just discovered we replaced the office windows here recently, and they used scaffolding, and you can see the workman left a board up there that's pretty well impossible to reach. So rather than set up scaffolding, I thought, well gee, I have this little quarter-inch X rod here, put that on a Scruzol, and I figure I'll just show you guys. Hopefully I won't fall off the railing here, but you guys can see the world's largest screwdriver. Put that on reverse. Let's see if we can show yet one more way a Scruzol is a unique tool. So, start it on reverse. Try the other one. There we go. Getting it on film there?
Yeah.
Good job. Try that with a regular screwdriver there. Okay. Only with a Scruzol, you say? Okay, let's try the other one. And if I fall off the railing here, you'll get that on film too. This is going to be a YouTube original. Okay, folks, you saw it here. Who's all to the rescue?
Yeah.
Okay.